How to use Huepar cross-line laser level GK011DGTP. Product usage notes. Tips 1. When installing the battery, please make sure that the positive and negative poles on the cover correspond to the positive and negative poles on the battery to avoid the laser level not working properly due to the battery being installed in reverse. Tips 2. How to turn on the laser level. There are two ways to turn it on. One is to turn it on with the power button. The product is in manual mode and angle of the laser line can be freely adjusted. In manual mode, the laser line will flash every 5 seconds to remind you that the laser level is not self-leveling. The other way to turn it on is to slide the mode button directly. The product is in self-leveling mode. In the self-leveling mode, the laser line will automatically level within 4 degrees. When the angle is greater than 4 degrees, the laser line will keep flashing to remind you that the laser line is currently not in a horizontal state. How to turn off the laser level. When the pendulum is in the locked position, short press the power button to turn off the laser level. Tips 3. When using a tripod, it needs to be placed on a flat surface. The 3 buttons for angle adjustment must be tightened, and the reference level bubble of the tripod should be in the middle position. On/off button. Turn on the button. The default mode is manual mode. Manual mode. Adjust the laser line at free angle. Self-leveling mode. Laser leveler automatically level within 4 degrees. Self-leveling mode equals precise level. Manual mode equals free angle. 3 different angles of adjustment. Flexible angle adjustment as needed. For different tripod height adjustments. Huepar. Embracing your idea tool at an ideal cost.